Hey guys, thank you for joining me today with putting together with Tim. I've got a project I'm working on today, putting together a platform bed. This should probably take some time, but let me give you a little view of this. This is a Zenus platform bed, and it needs to go right here. So I've got all my pieces and parts laid out here, and I need to put it together. I'll say this right now, like one of the first things I always do with this is I try to make sure I have all my pieces that I have before I put anything together. So if you're the type of person that likes to put things together, one of the things I love to do first is make sure I have all my pieces together, all the tools, all the things I need first. So what I usually typically do is just review all the notes here, making sure I have two of these A pieces here. And I do. I have two of these A pieces here. So I'll have that, the components there. I'll have two of the B pieces, which is there. And I love it how it's clearly labeled. And then also I need one of these D pieces, which is a metal bar, looks like. And I do have that here, that long piece there. And then two of these E pieces, which is here. These pieces here. And let's see, I need two or three of these F pieces, which are these guys right here. These are my F pieces. That looks similar to that. And then, so I have all that, and then G pieces. And then for these guys right here, four of those, which should be 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. Just some dirt or something on there like that. And these are the E pieces, F pieces, G pieces, these boards here. What's G? Okay, G looks like my slats, which are these. These are my G pieces. I have two of these sets of slats. So perfect. So, and then it goes into the nuts and bolts of things, SML, and a piece. And